Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. O Allah, we worship you and will always seek help from you. I'm incredibly grateful for the warm welcome. Venerated Principal, Vice Principal, Honorable guests, and my dear teachers, and honorable, my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, today as we gather to commemorate Pharmacist Day, I stand before you filled with a profound sense of pride and responsibility. We as pharmacists occupy a unique and indispensable position within the healthcare ecosystem. Our role extends far beyond dispensing medications. We are the guardians of health, ensuring the safe and effective use of drugs that impact millions of lives every day. The pharmacist's journey is one of the meticulous education, rigorous training, and a deep commitment to the patient care. We dedicate countless hours to mastering the intricacies of pharmacology, toxicology, and therapeutic interventions. We hone our skills in patient counseling, medication management, and drug therapy monitoring. Our expertise is a testament to the unwavering pursuit of excellence that defines our profession. At the heart of our profession lies a profound dedication to patient safety. We are the last line of defense against medication errors, ensuring that patients receive the correct medication in appropriate doses. We meticulously review the prescriptions, identify potential drug interactions, and provide clear and concise instructions to patients. Our vigilance is crucial in preventing the adverse effects of drugs and safeguarding the health of our communities. Beyond the realm of medication safety, pharmacists play a pivotal role in promoting rational drug therapy. We advocate for the appropriate use of medication, discouraging the overuse of antibiotics and other unnecessary drugs. We educate patients about the importance of adherence to the prescribed regimens and the potential consequences of non-compliance. By fostering a culture of responsible drug use, we contribute to the overall health and well-being of our society. Moreover, pharmacists play an integral role in the management of chronic diseases. We collaborate with physicians and other healthcare providers to develop comprehensive treatment plans for the patients with conditions such as suffering from diabetes, hypertension, and asthma. We monitor patients' response to therapy, adjust medication doses as needed, and provide ongoing support and education. Our expertise is essential in ensuring that patients suffering from chronic diseases can lead fulfilling and productive lives. As we look to the future, pharmacists must continue to adopt and innovate to meet the challenges of rapidly changing healthcare landscape. We must embrace emerging technologies such as electronic health records and telepharmacy to improve the patient care and streamline of our workflow. We must also advocate for policies that support our professions and ensure that pharmacists can fully utilize their skills and expertise. Before concluding my speech, I would like to criticize some Pakistani pharmacists who are selling their categories on rent to unqualified persons just for the sake of money. Renting categories undermines pharmacists professional responsibility. These unqualified persons are handling antibiotic to the patients for minor diseases. And overuse of antibiotics, according to the recent research, in Pakistan by year 2030, 80% of Pakistanis will be antibiotic resistant. That is an alarming situation for Pakistan. In conclusion, pharmacists are the unsung heroes of the healthcare system. We are the guardians of health, ensuring the safe and effective use of medication. Our expertise, coupled with our commitment to the patient care, makes us an indispensable members of the healthcare team. As we celebrate Pharmacist Day, let us reaffirm our dedication to our profession and unwavering commitment to improving the lives of our patients. Happy Pharmacist Day. Thank you.